Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to change the number on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your phone number on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap over there, and when this panel appears, tap on the settings, which is just below the saved messages, and you will land on this interface where you can see, guys, there is your phone number on your profile section or profile settings. Tap on your phone number in order to change your phone number. Now in order to proceed from over here, at the bottom of the screen you can see there a button where it says change number. Tap on that and tap on change on this pop-up menu, and over here, guys, enter your phone number which you want to change on Telegram, and after entering your number over here, whichever may it be, tap on the blue arrow icon over here, and on the next step a text or a verification code will be sent to you on this phone number which you had entered. Receive that code, and on the next step on the same platform on Telegram you will be required to enter that code in order to verify yourself with that number. And with that being done, guys, your phone number will be changed on Telegram. And guys, this is how to change phone number on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.